Hello everyone, today I will show you how to make a ringtone on iPhone with GarageBand. So now I'm provide full guide step by step, so don't skip my video. So let's get start. You need to first install these apps and launch. So at first look at this interface. So you can easily use this feature, and now I'm provide how can customize any ringtone. So open this. So you need to first click on to plus option. Okay, and click on and showing you to this option, just click on. So select any music from your gallery. So go to file and select any music. So now I'm select this music and long press and drag on this. Okay, and now start record. Stop. Okay, and click on to my song. To add this, long press, at first rename like new. Okay, press on to done and long press. To share option, just click on to ringtone. To continue. Okay, to export. Okay, now successfully export, and go out these apps to open iPhone settings. So open iPhone settings and go to sound and haptics to select ringtone, and look at this. Now successfully add customize ringtone, just select, and that's it. That's how we can easily use this.